Hello everyone and welcome back to the Animal Sciences channel. In this video we will learn how to calculate measures of central tendency like mean, median, harmonic mean, geometric mean, and measures of dispersion like range, variance, and standard deviation in R. First we will load hypothetical data on birth weight of lambs born in different seasons. This data and the codes used in this video can be downloaded using the link in the description. This is a .csv data, so we will use read.csv function to open it and store it into a lamb object. Next, we will check the structure of the data using str function. This data has two columns from which season of birth is stored as character values, and BWT, which denotes birth weight, is stored as numeric values. You can also view this data like Excel spreadsheet by typing view lamb. So here you can see how this data looks like. Similarly, you can use the summary function to get the summary of this data structure. It shows season represents character values, so it just gave the length or the total number of values in this column. On the other hand, for birth weight, it provided much more information like minimum birth weight, that is 3 kg. It also gave us statistics for first quantile, median, mean, third quantile, and maximum value. Now I will show you how you can calculate these and other measures of central tendency and dispersion by yourself. To calculate mean of birth weight from this dataset, we use the mean function, and here within mean function you have to add a $sign to select birth weight column from the lamb data. You also have to add an extra argument if your data contains missing values or NA values. So this is the extra argument and equals to true. To calculate harmonic mean, we need psych package. So download and install it. As I have already installed it, so I will simply type library psych to load this package. Now use harmonic.mean function of psych package to calculate harmonic mean of birth weight, that is 3.53. To get geometric mean of birth weight, we will use geometric.mean function of this package, which is 3.54. To calculate median, we will use median function of R, which is 3.5. Similarly, you can also calculate measures of dispersion in R. The range function in R gives you the minimum and maximum values. To actually calculate range, we can subtract minimum value from the maximum value using this code. So the range of birth weight is 1. We can calculate variance using var function. So the variance of birth weight in lambs is 0.067. Similarly, we can also calculate standard deviation using SD function. So the standard deviation is about 0.26. So that's all about the calculation of descriptive statistics in R. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share it and subscribe to this channel.